It's right.
Okay, then just fully on the throttle, stay on the right side until we reach the Yokohama sign on the right side. And then depending on the traffic from behind, you would usually just aim for the B of Bielstein and then get close to the curb, unless there's somebody overtaking you at that very moment. And you aim for the other Yokohama sign on the right side, just let the car drift to the outside, stay fully on the throttle, and when we reach the bottom of this compression, you start turning into the left, go towards the curb on the left side, stay on the gas, this is all still flat, straight line, stay on the gas, turn in a little bit, aim for the end of the barrier, first braking zone, brake quite hard here, then off the brake, turn in, and then the second braking zone, also important. Then turn in, a little bit of gas, stay on the right until the white line, and then with throttle the turn over usually. Two cars coming, Cayman and Polo. And then this one is a very sharp turn. It must feel like you're almost running this mirror off. Yeah? And if it feels like that, you're doing it right. If you actually run it off, it was a bit too much. Okay, and here it's important to brake just before this little crest here, so just before the orange barrier piece. Yeah? Turning can be a bit earlier, then all the way, use all the track. And just stay on the right side here, you don't actually need to go to the outside that much. Aim for the 2 kilometer sign on the left. Just stay in 4th gear, no braking needed, turn in and back on the power and use the full track on the exit. This corner gives you actually a lot of grip because of its banking. Very good, stay tight and then slowly go to the outside. First braking zone, off the brake, turn in, no braking needed, turn in, stay on the inside and throttle. Yes, and stay on the right side, stay on the gas through the left-hander. And short braking, off. Turn in, stay on the right to the end of the curb, turn over, turn in, and throttle. Outside. Okay, it starts to rain. We can let the Opel go. And here it's very important to stay on the right until you reach the end of the curb. I also like to call it patient corner, because otherwise you have a bad entry for the left-hander. Stay on the throttle, just face forward.
There it goes.
Good. And stay on the gas. And you can overtake if you want to. Looks like the Polo is staying on the right. They're a bit scared of the rain. Nothing to worry about yet. And throttle. Power. Give it all. Everything you have. We're not in any dangerous speed right now. Just stay on the gas.
Take it easy for straight,
Yeah, you can stay on the throttle, stay completely flat, and we don't brake before or on this bump. Yeah? Yeah, just keep it straight. And now just brake a little bit, enough. Stay on the right side and back on the throttle. Throttle. Stay on the gas, don't worry. Through Schwingkreuz, when you actually turn in already, you can just stay on the gas. And hard braking, late turning. Stay inside. And power again. Aim for the little white sign on the right side. And just stay on the gas. Turn in, power. Straight line. Just keep it completely straight. Stay on the power. Turn in, straight line again. Wonderful. Stay on the right side, stay on the gas, and with throttle through this compression, okay? Stay on the gas, please. There you go. And brake hard. Good. Off the brake. Brake a bit too much there, yeah? So you can still take this quicker. Turn in. And aim for the blue graffiti on the barrier. You see that N plus K? Straight ahead, all the way to the outside, and boom, turn in. Good. Stay tight, and turn over, power. Come on. Go. Yeah, okay. And now you can let it pass. But you can stay on the front. He's got enough power to pass us anyway. And now straight line. We will come close to the grass on the left here. Yeah. Just go completely straight and aim for the little white sign you see on the right side. All the way to the outside and brake. And this way you have the car completely straight in the braking zone, which is super important. Okay. All the way to the outside. Very late braking in the drive. And brake hard. Turn in early. Okay. In the wet it's a much earlier braking there because there's a lot of rubber. Now the car, 92. Okay. Super late turning on this one. Wait and in. And in turning radius. Good. And power again. Power, power, power. Outside, outside, outside. Aim for the marshal post on the right side. Turn in a little bit. And with throttle in. Stay on the gas. There you go. Straight line all the way to the outside. And brakes gently. No, no, it's fine. Turn in. Stay tight. And power again. Stay tight. Yeah, let the car go a bit too much too early. Yeah, you want to stay tighter there. And brake hard first time. Off the brake. Turn in. Straight line all the way to the outside and brake again. Off and in. Stay tight on the left and power. Power from here and through. This is flat. If you set the car up right through Versailles, the right hander at the exit is flat. Okay? Good. Turn in and brake early. It's wet here. Brake, turn in, cautious, we're fully on the rubber here. Yeah, notice that in the steering that it was like it's swimming a bit. And power again, full power. We can use all of the power this car can supply because we're going uphill. And you want to aim for this marshal post on the right side there, on the outside of the corner. Aim for that. And just stay on the gas, it's flat, turn in and power. And let the car go a bit to the middle and then come back to the left side. And stay on the outside. There's a rumble strip on the left side here, and the end of it is your turning point. Wait, wait, turn. See? So it's much later than most people think. And power again.
I wasn't even that
oh no, oh no, oh shit. That's Robin. Oh fuck. Fuck. Oh man, I feel that fun. I hope there's not too much damage on the car.
Looked like a tail light.
Yeah, I hope it's just like cosmetic. Oh, that's a shame. Okay, back to business. Stay on the throttle. Fiesta ST coming behind us. Yeah, he got caught out by the wet surface, I guess. Stay on the throttle, straight line, and indicator right, but stay on the gas. He should have enough power to come past. Just stay fully on the gas, this is all flat. There you go. So it's getting dry again here, stay on the gas. That's actually one of the skills you need to kind of develop, that you can adopt to different circumstances quick. No braking needed at this speed, full power. All the way to the outside and stay on the right side until we reach the white sign on the right. And then you come over to the left, but not before. And then we aim for the 13, the number 13, you see it straight ahead. And whoop, turn it. Good, stay on the throttle. Beginning of the left side curve is our braking point, not before that. And brake, end of the curve is our turning point, off the brake, and in. Good. And from the megaphone here, on the throttle again. Yeah, so quite laid back to throttle because the corner is longer than you think at the first moment. Straight line, stay on the gas, and straight into carousel and all four wheels on the concrete. I don't want you to touch the tarmac at the bottom. A bit more throttle, keep all four wheels on the concrete.
It was a bit low yesterday here.
And straight line and full power. No braking needed here. Just stay on the gas, turn in power. It's all uphill, so as soon as you go off the throttle, you lose speed.
Don't want to
Stay
go
on
too
the
fast here.
Stay on the gas, stay on it, stay on it, stay on it, turn over, stay on it, stay on it, stay on it, outside, good. And brake gently, enough. Turn in, stay on the inside, a bit of throttle, more, and go. And up to third gear. Side, brake gently, off, turn in, stay right, stay, turn over, stay, turn over. You can use the curbs, but if you use them, make sure to use them completely, not just the red whites. Then brake, off, turn in, power, full power, good, and straight line now, brake hard, double apex, off the brake, turn in. First apex and a bit to the outside, inside again, stay on the left, and brake, off, you know. And brake just before this yellow 4 here and in. A tiny bit late on the turning, just before you touch that yellow 4 on the ground there. You will see it on the video footage later. That's your turning point. Stay on the throttle and in. Keep it on the gas, straight line, brake gently, off. Brake again, off. Turn in, power again, full power. And stick to the right side here. Stay on the gas. This is all flat. Turn over flat, flat, flat. Aim for the light post. Stay on the gas. Don't lift. Stay on the gas. Turn in. Because if you lift here, the rear gets light. It's not a good idea. And this is all flat. Turn in. Stay on the gas. Stay on the gas. Don't lift. Straight line. To the left. And in. And power, power, power. There you go. That's how you take benefits. Straight line. Aim for this little tree on the outside. Go all the way to the outside, off the brake, turn in, power, all the way to the right. So super late apex on this one. Brake off, turn in, power, and then you can go past. Beautiful wheel spin there, huh? Sounded like it at least. And brake, and here you want to go as low as possible. And power again.
Might be the clutch getting hot.
Very early turning on this one. Don't brake too much and power. Good. All the way to the outside. You see the toilet on the left. Stay on the gas. Stay on the outside. Turn in and